Okay. Now we will check about some problems related to concave and a convex mirror. Okay. So the question is that they have asked in exam also, a convex mirror used as a rear view on an automobile has a radius of a curvature as 3 centimeter or sorry 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of an image. Okay, once again check out, a convex mirror is there, convex mirror. So this is a convex mirror. Okay, if what they have asked, you have to look it. Okay, this is P, pole, focus and center of the curvature. So object is placed here, will be your object. Okay, AB. A rear view of an automobile has a radius of a curvature. They have given the given data. The radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. That is how much? R. Radius of the curvature is 3 meter. So why I have taken as a positive? Where exactly you will get a radius of the curvature? Radius means here. Okay. From center of the curvature to pole, we will get a radius of a curvature R. That's why it is taken as a positive. Then, and bus is located 5 meter from its mirror. So the bus is there, it is located 5 meter. Means object distance. How much it is? Object distance we will consider as a U. It is minus 5 meter. Why minus 5? It is in the distance in a left hand side, we need to consider it as a negative sign, I said. So it is minus. Then image distance they have asked, means that the bus image will be formed, where it will be. So V is equal to how much? Then this is the given data. So you can easily find out the okay. Then we have the relation that the radius of the curvature and focal length. The focal length is equal to R divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2 is nothing but a 1.5 meter. So you got the F. Then by using the mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So 1 by 1.5 is equal to 1 divided by minus 5 plus 1 by V. So keep 1 by V as it is. This is equal to 1 divided by 1.5 plus 1 by 5. So 1 by V. So this is, I will write 10 by 15 plus 1 by 5. You can take an LCM. LCM is how much? 15. So this is 10 and this is 3. So 13 divided by 15. So make it as, this is 1 by V is 13 by 15. Then what about only V? V is how much? V is equal to, so 15 divided by 13 meter. Or if you want, you can convert in terms of a point. Okay, so you can write it down. That is, it will be 1.15 meter. Okay, so you got the image distance. Image is formed from the pole 1.15 meter. So it may be here. Okay, image may be formed here. Okay, anyway, you can consider the image will be 1.15 and it is taken as a positive. So image will be formed as 1.15 meter. Now you need to look into a height of an image. H dash you need to find. To get a height of an image, to get an height of an image, we should know about magnification. Magnification, M is equal to what? H dash divided by H. That is height of an image to the height of an object. Or you can write this one as equal to minus V divided by U, I said. So you can relate this one. So you want H dash is equal to, sorry, M is equal to, so minus V value how much? V value you got as 1.15 divided by U value is, U is minus 5. So these two get cancelled, minus minus sign. So M is equal to 115 divided by 500. So you will get a magnification as m is equal to 0.23 and 23 meter, and this is positive. Okay. Next problem related to a concave mirror. You can check an object 4 centimeter in size. So object size they have given indicates what? The height of an object they have given. And is placed at 25 centimeter. So means object distance they have given as 25 centimeter in front of an concave mirror. So he has considered the concave mirror. This is P, F and C is there. So he has given the height of an object. Height of an object is 4 centimeter. That is positive. Then placed object distance they have given. Object distance, that is u is equal to. So object, I think here may be the object. So the left hand side whatever it may be, you should consider it as a negative. Okay. So the distance will be what? It is minus 25 centimeter. And the focal length they have given, focal length of 15 centimeter. What about the focal length? Positive or a negative you need to consider. Again focal length will be here only, okay, not that side. So you should consider it as a negative. Minus 15 centimeter. So at what distance the distance from the mirror the screen should be placed to get as a shot image. So they have asked about image distance. Image distance equal to V, how much? And also they have asked find the nature, size of an image, everything. Nature and size. Size indicates what? H dash is equal to how much? Okay. With these things, given data, we can easily find out the value. So we know the mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So by putting the data, that is 1 divided by minus 15 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 divided by 25. If you get this into the right hand side, so 1 by v is equal to 1 divided by 25 minus 1 by 15. So LCM you can take. So 25 15 LCM. $75. Okay, 75 is an LCM. 25 3 is the 75. So this will be 3. So 15, how much the 75? So 15 5 is a 5. 5 on the 5. So 1 by 5 is equal to minus 2 divided by 75, or V is equal to minus 75 divided by 2. So you will get the value as minus. So 75 divided by 2 you can work out. You will get it is as minus 37.5 centimeter. 37.5 means you will get an image distance will be what? Minus 37 means both image as well as the object are in the same side. So if it is like this means your image may be like this. So this is 37.5 and your object distance is 25. So this is 25 means more about here you will get as an image. Okay, like this. And downward your image will be. Okay, minus 37.5 centimeter. Both object and image will be in the same side. Okay. Next, that is image distance is over. Now we will look into a h dash, the height of an image. So how to find out the height of the image means? So we know that the magnification formula m is equal to h dash divided by h. This is same as minus v divided by u. Okay. So h dash we want. This is as equal to minus v value is how much? V you got as minus 37.5 and u is minus 25 into h. Height of an object is nothing but a 4. So this minus get cancelled. H dash is equal to minus 37.5 into 4 divided by 25. So you will get h dash. So if you simplify this one, if you multiply minus 37.5 with 4 divided by 25, you will get the height of an image as minus 6.0 centimeter. So check out, the height of the image is minus 6, height of the object is 4. Then you can conclude that, so the size of the image is what? It is enlarged. And the nature of the image, these things they will ask, okay? Nature of the image is, it's a real and inverted. So why inverted? The image is formed, minus 37.5 is there, it is real and inverted. Nature and size of the image. Okay, thank you.